linguine with lemon and zucchini. So what we want to do first is slice my lemons about 1/3 of an inch. Take out the seeds, and I'm going to blanch the lemon slices in the boiling water, the same boiling water that I'm going to cook the pasta. By blanching the lemon slices, we're going to take out some of the bitterness and just leave that sweet, lemony bite. So I'm going to just add the lemon slices right into the boiling water. So now you just leave them there and they're going to cool down, and we're going to use them a little bit later. So while I wait for that, we're going to dump my linguine, just about 1/2 pound or so, right in there. Let's get started on the rest of the ingredients. I'm only going to do 1 shallot, and you could use onion. This shallot is very fresh, which is lovely, but not lovely for the eyes. Ooh, baby. Okay. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to my nonstick pan over here. The pan is warm, so now we're going to take the garlic, and we're going to take the shallot, and we're going to put it in our skillet with olive oil. I've already heated. So while that softens, I'm going to start on my zucchini. I've got my zucchini here. I've got 4 zucchini that I washed. And again, I'm going to slice the zucchini just like I sliced the lemon so that they sort of have the same shape. And zucchini, you know, it's like little wheels. It just likes to kind of roll all over the board. I think a lot of people, when they think of pasta, they think of red sauce. And so I have had a lot of people texting me during this time because everybody's cooking a lot of pasta, but they're kind of over just straight tomato sauce. So this is a really fun, summery dish you can make. A little bit of anchovy and a little bit of capers. So about 1 teaspoon or so of anchovy paste. It gives the zucchini the whole sauce, that depth, that salty depth of flavor. And we're gonna add a little bit of capers. Capers add a little tang, and it's a combo of the two. They create a really yummy sauce. Time for zucchini, and then I'll add a little bit of red pepper flakes, but not a lot because Jade, she's not gonna like it spicy. Go. A little bit of salt. I like to add a little bit of pasta water too to help the cooking of the zucchini and start creating a little sauce with the anchovies. I feel like I can take the lemons now. We put the lemons in here too. And add a little bit of red pepper flakes, right? Just a little. Oops. I think I may have dropped a little too much in there. Oopsie.
Good luck with that, Jade.
I know. I put a ton of Parmesan cheese. I think we'll be all right. All right, I think I'm gonna add the pasta. Turn off the heat. And here we go. And the reason I don't drain the pasta is because that way, if I need more pasta water, I got it right here. All right, we're gonna add 1/2 cup of Parmigiano Reggiano. I hear her. Hello. Bring it together. Hey, babe, could you just get me some basil on that plant over there? Just snip off a bunch. Just rip it up and put it on top here. I'm making it rain, Parmigiano. I need Raffy. Okay. You could chop up the basil. You could also just, go for it. Just rip it right on top. You like it ripped. Grab me the feta cheese. Oh, man. Got a little bit of feta here. I'm just gonna kind of break it up. You could use goat cheese if you wanted to.
Jay, is this the first time in the kitchen?
We'll do a little of that, a little of that. Finito. You like my, yeah, I know it. Okay, go. Take a little bit of pasta, take it to the side of the dish, and then we do it. Shane, did you want any?
Yeah, of course I want some. But I want to see Jade's reaction first. Big bite.
Oh, look at that twirl. That's a great twirl, Jade. But I thought.
Don't drop it like you did the cheese.